Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Reality Check. Today we bring you two very different stories but both challenge the way we usually see the world. The first story looks at Pakistani television and the character that breaks the usual mold of suffering heroine or the obvious villain. Through the drama Muamma and the powerful performance of Sabaa Qamar, where we explore a woman who exists in a grey area between victimhood and control. And then we travel thousands of miles away from television screens to the vast sands of Sahara Desert, where scientists have uncovered the remains of prehistoric predator that lived nearly 95 million years ago. A discovery that is helping researchers rethink what life once looked like in one of the hardest deserts on Earth. Let us begin with our first segment, The Grey Woman of Pakistani Dramas. कभी सोचा है कि पाकिस्तानी ड्रामाज में औरत को अक्सर सिर्फ दो ही रोल्स मिलते हैं, या तो वो मजलूम बीवी हो जाती है या सब कुछ सह लेती है, या फिर वो चालाक विलन होती है जो घर तोड़ देती है। मगर क्या हो अगर कोई औरत इन दोनों में से कोई एक भी ना हो? ये सवाल उठाता है मुअम्मा। At the center of the story is Sabaa Qamar playing Jahan Ara, also known as Gigi. She is neither completely innocent nor a typical villain. She is a wounded woman determined to reclaim the control of her life. Jahan Ara comes from an abusive marriage filled not only with physical violence but also deep humiliation. Her husband openly brought another woman into their home and she was forced to serve them drinks while watching her dignity slowly fade. एक औरत जिसकी इज्जत और सेल्फ वर्थ आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ख़त्म कर दी जाए। अक्सर पाकिस्तानी ड्रामाज में यही सीन दिखाए जाते हैं कि वो माफ़ कर देती है या फिर खामोशी से ज़िंदगी गुजार देती है। मगर जहाँ आरा ये दोनों रास्ते नहीं चुनती, वो मुकाबला करती है, लेकिन चीख कर नहीं, स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ। She rents out the lower portion of her house to the newly married couples and quietly observes their relationships through two-way mirror. She does not chase men or seduce them. She simply creates situation through casual conversations or small gestures. Slowly, some men reveal their own weaknesses and loyalties without realizing that they are being tested. वो मर्दों को सिड्यूस नहीं करती, ना ही डायरेक्टली उनका पीछा करती है। वो बस सिचुएशंस क्रिएट करती है, कभी खाना शेयर करती है, कभी नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्सेशंस, और फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता कुछ मर्द खुद पास आने लगते हैं, कभी चाय के लिए पत्ती मांगने के बहाने या कभी किसी छोटी ज़रूरत के नाम पर। और यहाँ से जहाँ आरा उनकी लॉयल्टी टेस्ट करती है। ये रोमांस की कहानी नहीं है, ये एक रेवलेशन की कहानी है। ये धोखा क्रिएट नहीं करती, वो सिर्फ ये दिखाती है कि धोखा कितनी आसानी से सामने आ जाता है। द कंट्रोवर्सी सराउंडिंग the drama grew after episode 3 when Jahan Ara's golden sari look went viral. Instead of discussing the themes, people began debating her clothing with criticism and even age shaming. सोचिए, 41 साल की औरत ग्लैमरस कपड़े पहने तो प्रॉब्लम क्यों बन जाता है? यहाँ एक और डबल स्टैंडर्ड भी सामने आता है कि पाकिस्तानी ड्रामाज में मेल एंटी हीरोज अक्सर सेलिब्रेट किए जाते हैं, और एक करप्ट बिजनेसमैन अगर ट्रैजिक पास रखता है तो उसे कॉम्प्लेक्स कैरेक्टर कहा जाता है। मगर जब एक औरत को वही साइकोलॉजिकल डेप्थ मिलती है तो उसे इमोरल या डेंजरस कह दिया जाता है। जहाँ आरा का कैरेक्टर असल में इसी डिस्कम्फर्ट को एक्सपोज करता है, क्योंकि हम एक ऐसी औरत को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते जो विक्टिम भी हो और स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट भी। मगर जब एक औरत को वही साइकोलॉजिकल डेप्थ मिलती है तो उसे इमोरल और डेंजरस कह दिया जाता है। जहाँ आरा का कैरेक्टर असल में इसी डिस्कम्फर्ट को एक्सपोज करता है। क्या हम एक ऐसी औरत को एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं जो विक्टिम भी हो और स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट भी? क्या एक औरत फ्लॉड होकर भी मीनिंगफुल हो सकती है? एंड दैट इज द रियल मिस्ट्री of Muamma. Can society accept a woman who is both victim and a strategist, a woman who is flawed yet powerful? Because sometimes the most unsettling character is the woman who refuses to stay silent. Sahara's lost giant. Scientists unearth a new dinosaur species. कभी सोचा है कि सहारा जैसा सुनसान रेगिस्तान कभी जिंदगी से भरा हुआ था? सोचिए ज़रा, जहाँ आज सिर्फ रेत है वहाँ कभी जाइंट डायनासोर्स भी घूमते थे, और साइंटिस्ट ने एक ऐसी डिस्कवरी की है 100 साल बाद दुनिया को हैरान कर रही है। Deep in the desert of Niger, scientists have discovered previously unknown species of dinosaur. Experts are calling it one of the most significant dinosaur discoveries in more than a century. Around 95 million years ago, a gigantic predator known as Cypnorus roamed across the African continent. This creature had a long skull, powerful jaws filled with interlocking teeth, and a sharp blade like crest on its head. Scientists estimate this dinosaur could grow nearly 40 feet long. That means it was comparable in the size of the legendary Tyrannosaurus rex. Researchers identified the fossils as a new species called Cynoprosis mirabilis. The name roughly translates to a hell heron because its body structure strangely resembles a giant prehistoric heron. यानी एक ऐसा डायनासोर जो बिल्कुल किसी शिकारी परिंदे की तरह लगता था. सोचिए, एक 40 फीट लंबा जानवर जो पानी के किनारे से शिकार करता हो. According to the lead researcher Paul from University of Chicago, the proportions of the skull, neck and legs look surprisingly similar to modern wading birds. What makes the discovery even more fascinating is the location. Millions of years ago, the now barren Sahara Desert was actually covered with forests, rivers, and wastelands. Previously, most Spinosaur fossils were found near ancient coastlines in the North Africa. Because of this, some scientists believed these fish-eating dinosaurs might have lived mostly in water. But this discovery changed that theory. The fossils were found hundreds of miles inland from any ancient ocean. According to Sereno, this dinosaur likely waded into shallow waters to hunt, but was probably not a strong swimmer. मतलब ये डायनासोर पानी में शिकार कर रहा था, लेकिन मछली की तरह तैरता नहीं था. The story of the discovery itself sounds like something straight out of Jurassic Park. The expedition began in 2019 in the Sahara. Scientists were following clues left decades earlier by French geologist Hugues Flore, who had once discovered tooth of another giant predator. Despite modern technology like GPS and drones, the team found nothing for days. Disappointed and ready to leave, something unexpected happened. A Tuareg man riding a motorcycle approached the team and claimed he knew where giant bones were buried in the desert. और यहाँ से कहानी बिल्कुल फिल्म जैसी हो गई. The team followed him and a long journey across the desert that lasted more than a day and a half. At one point, they even wondered if they had gone too far and might not have enough fuel to return. But when they reached the site, they saw something extraordinary. Huge dinosaur bones were emerging directly from the sand. Among them was a massive 6 feet long thigh bone, parts of jaw, sharp teeth, and the base of creature's unique crest. In 2022, Sereno returned with a team of nearly 100 researchers along with dozens of local guards to carefully excavate the site. They uncovered the skull, leg fragments, and multiple crests that confirmed that this was completely new species. According to Sereno, the crest alone was unlike anything scientists had ever seen before. कुछ साइंटिस्ट के लिए ये ऐसा लम्हा था कि वो इमोशनल हो गए और उनकी आंखों में आंसू आ गए. Standing in the middle of Sahara, looking at the remains of creature that ruled the earth 95 million years ago, the researchers realized that they were witnessing a historic discovery. Sereno described it as the ultimate Jurassic Park moment. सोचिए, रेत के नीचे छुपी हुई दुनिया अभी भी कितने राज संभाले हुए बैठी है. As we wrap up today's episode, it is interesting how two completely different stories can lead to a similar question about how we understand the world around us. One story explores the hidden complexities of the human behavior. The other reveals the secrets buried beneath millions of years of Earth's history. Yet, both show the reality is often far more layered than simple versions that we are used to seeing. Because sometimes the most powerful stories are the ones that challenge what we think we already know. I'm Ramna Said, signing off from Reality Check. See you in the next episode. Thank you.